Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and any DLC that unlocks Lunar Thread. This avoids wasted effort. Once done, gather the minimum resources: 1,000 gold, 3 rare seeds, and 1 unlocking key so you can access the Moon Grove. Move to coordinates X, 324Y, 89 and trigger the Grove event. This is the earliest actionable step. You should also adjust inventory space and quick bind a healing item, because the encounter can be time-limited and resource-intensive. Now you execute the core sequence. Use the unlocking key to start the Moon Grove ritual within the 5-minute activation window, because delays cancel it. During the ritual, you'll face 2 guardian phases: prioritize fire or shadow damage to break shields faster, and use crowd control to limit adds. Once a glowing filament drops, pick it up immediately and proceed to the nearby anvil to convert 1 filament into Lunar Thread. Make sure to conserve stamina. You'll need it for the second phase burst. Finish by crafting your first Lunar Thread at the anvil and repeat the ritual to farm more. Your success rate scales with the focus stat, so consider a brief buff beforehand. If a filament fails to spawn, relog, clear cache, or zone out and back in, then reinitiate the ritual. This resolves most sync bugs. Lastly, keep 1/2 stack of mana potions and a teleport scroll for quick retries, because time windows are tight and efficient recovery saves runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.